welcome to Lauren's Travels. Today I'm in Saugatuck, Michigan, and I've never been here before. This is a cute little lakeside town, so let's go explore. Located next to Lake Michigan, Saugatuck is an artsy town with dunes and beautiful lakeside homes. This is also a welcoming city for the LGBT community. We started our day at the Barge for lunch. After looking over the menu, we ordered a key lime colada for my sister-in-law Megan and a peachy palmer for myself. A black and blue burger was my choice for lunch. Watching the boats drive by was fun, and the views are great on the top floor. We even saw the Saugatuck chain ferry go by, which is the only chain-driven ferry left in the country. This ferry has been in operation since the early 1800s. After lunch, we walked over to the Mitten Brewing Company. I ordered a strawberry watermelon seltzer, and Megan got sangria cider. We're usually the ones that have the fun drinks, so those are the ones you're gonna see. Saugatuck is open carry, so they actually write the date that you're here, and you are able to walk around town with your beverage. The Book Nook was a fun stop for me because I like seeing local bookshops. I ended up getting the cat with the rainbow bow because it reminded me of Vincent, and it's a cute little sticker. Kilwins was next, and it ticked off the box for a sweet treat for the ride home. I ended up getting some chocolate-covered pretzels. Coincidentally, we are here on June 1st, which is the first day of Pride Month, and this is a very queer-friendly city. There are lots of queer-owned businesses and breweries, and there are lots of pride flags and rainbow flags all up and down the street, so that's a really nice thing to consider while traveling.
It was me, I was the dog. Yeah, oh, I can't.
Boutiques, art galleries, and lots of fun ways to spend your time are here, including going to Oval Beach. Mount Baldhead is located here as well, and if you're willing to climb over 300 steps, you can see the deactivated radar station visible from all over town. From leaving Saugatuck, we decided to come to Oval Beach. It's such a beautiful day. There's barely anyone out here. The skies are super clear today. The weather is perfect. There's a very cool breeze, but it's still sunny. It's like my ideal weather. It's such a nice break from Florida because it's been so humid there lately. I'm here with my sister Megan, Sarah, and my husband Alex. We're gonna see how cold this water is. It's cold for Megan. It's probably very cold for me. Oh. Okay, I'm scared. Yeah, no. That's ice cold. It's too cold. Ice cold.
The world is my oyster.
Yeah, that's all I need to touch. Megan feels like she's gonna conquer this small dune. I am too lazy and do not want to climb the dune. And also don't want to fall. Almost there, almost to the top. She has indeed reached the top.
Oh, wow.
Victory! Saugatuck was our day trip on our existing trip to Kalamazoo. I load up on cherry things whenever I'm here, but when we visited Grand Traverse Pie Company, I went with a strawberry rhubarb slice. I'll have to come back because there were so many flavors to choose from. Beautiful. While in Michigan, we are going to the Stamped Robin, which is a little cocktail bar. Excited to check it out. And there's LFG, where I've been before. I made a little reel or short about it. It's taking a minute there. So on this trip, I visited Saugatuck, and now it is time for little places around Kalamazoo. This is close to where we have some family live. So yeah, we come here often, and I think it's a cute little college town. The first place that we are going to go to is called Crafted Copper, and they have drinks in there, of course. It's kind of like a little pour bar, and they also have duck pin bowling. So let's go check that out. After some Mediterranean dry rub wings and a lot of Where's Waldo pictures, we found the duck pin bowling. This is just like regular bowling, except the pins are on strings, and the balls are much easier to throw down the lane. And of course I didn't record it, but you'll have to believe me that I was the first one to get a strike. A very popular spot to visit in Kalamazoo is Bell's Brewery. They started brewing in 1985, and then they added on in, I think, 2011, the beer garden. This is also something you can see on their website, but they kind of have a little history timeline breakdown inside of here. You have plenty of options of places to sit, and there's also a beautiful outdoor beer garden that I will show you very soon. We decided to sit inside of here, right next to the bar. We got lots of art murals and pretty stained glass windows in here. Bell's Eccentric Cafe also has their own gift shop here, so you can find tons of things with Bell's beer logos and Bell's in general logos on them. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit of what's inside. This sweatshirt caught my eye. I love the whole outer space look here. They've even got some accessories and toys for dogs. Super cute. We are flying out today from Gerald R. Ford Airport, which is in Grand Rapids, and we are going to another brewery inside of the airport. This time it is Founders. I went with a bacon cheeseburger, pretty classic option, some chips, Truly, some beer on the side. We have a little while until we catch our flight, so probably going to look in the bookstore because it's right behind us and see what other things they have in here. It looks like this one also has a pour your own pour for wines, kind of similar to the beer place we went to. Thanks for following along on my fun trip to Michigan. Make sure you're subscribed for more travels and suggest where I should go next down in the comments.